Cleburne Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 134 Zulu. Wind 160 at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point.
Wow, that's weird.
3 Celsius. Altimeter 3021 inches of mercury.
Runway 15, 5,600 feet remaining.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 15, departing 15, departure out to the south, Cleburne. Hey, centerline.
Cleburne traffic, 79919er, turning right base for runway 15, Cleburne traffic.
Hey. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
What can I do for you?
Request flight following departure from Cleburne. We're about 2 south of Cleburne, Charlie Papa Tango. Request VFR flight following to Sugarland, Sierra Golf Romeo 5500.
You said you're Cessna 172, is that right?
Affirmative.
1802 Victor, regional altimeter is 3019er. And you can go ahead and squawk 2276.
3019, squawk 2276.
02 Victor, radar contact about 4 south of Cleburne there, south 2 leaving.
You're landing this way?
Yes, to the north, correct.
You're going to come in right here and do this?
Left turns, correct. Here's, I'm going to be coming in making left turns. Okay, here's the wind.
Confirmation Romeo, time 1453 Zulu weather, wind 0907, visibility 10, sky clear.
I couldn't hear him.
Well, he kind of said it real fast. He said runway 35 in use, report left downwind. Well, when he said report left downwind, said it really fast.
I don't even see it.
Well, there's a bunch of, this is actually a park, all these dark trees, and right on the other side of what I'm calling a park is the runway. See the lake right there?
Yeah.
Go left, and the first structures you see is the runway.
The option,
Oh, I see it.
1 Papa.
Yeah. Sugarland Tower 02 Victor.
06, go ahead.
You want me to report left downwind for 35?
02 Victor, affirmative. Traffic follows midfield on the east side. Runway 35, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2. We're looking for traffic on the east side, and we'll report downwind 02.
Where's the traffic?
He's over here. He's going to be up in the
And
haze.
he's first?
Yes, we're number 2, but I can extend my left downwind quite a bit.
Oh, I see some towers, tall towers.
We're not going.
I know, but they're in the smog.
Yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my left downwind. He said I'm number 2. So you'd be looking for somebody, yeah.
I'm looking.
1,000. I need to descend really to get down to 1,000.
Your thing's not picking up an airplane.
He may not have ADSB out. I would think he has to have it. Sugarland Tower, Skyhawk 02 Victor, left downwind 35. We're number 2, Sugarland.
02 Victor, you got the preceding traffic in sight?
Negative contact. We're looking for the number 1 traffic. We'll extend our downwind if needed. 02 Victor.
02 Victor, roger. Just ahead and off your left, 10 o'clock in less than a mile.
Looking for traffic, 02 Victor. Okay, I don't see him. 10 o'clock. Which is, he'll be passing closer to my wing as we come around. Kind of hazy. See anything?
No.
See birds?
I see red here. He's already in it. He's already going in.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go.
According to your deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going in.
Okay.
To your base.
To Victor Taxi departing. Where are you headed to? Just make sure. Hold short of Alpha, but say destination.
We're going to the fuel farm and then park at the school.
02 Victor, just keep it rolling straight ahead. Echo ahead of the jet and fuel.
Sugarland Tower Information Whiskey time 1953 Zulu observation, wind 09011, visibility 10, sky condition clear, temperature 31 dew point 13, altimeter 3013. RDAF GPS approach runway 17 in use, caution birds in the vicinity of the airport and runway. Rise on initial contact, you have information whiskey.
Sugarland ground. Skyhawk 1802 Victor on the terminal ramp.
Cessna 02 Victor, ground runway 17, taxi via Mike. Intentions.
We're going to request VFR flight following direct to Charlie Papa Tango Cleburne at 6,500.
Atlanta 02 Victor, ground departure frequency 123.8, squawk 4043.
Squawk 4043.
Departure frequency will be 123.8.
Okay, we've got 123.8.
Approaching runway 17.
Sugarland Tower, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, we're ready at 17.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Sugarland Tower, hold short, runway 17, landing traffic.
Hold short for landing traffic at 1702 Victor. Okay, now when I'm through with the tower, we'll go to that number I gave you, 123.
Hello. Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Sugarland Tower, runway 17, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading. Traffic on a 2-mile right base is a citation, don't delay.
Don't delay.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 17, we're departing or fly runway heading, 02 Victor.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, right turnout approved.
02 Victor, right turnout approved.
All these houses are built on a canal.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, remain outside Bravo airspace. Contact Houston departure 123.8.
We'll contact Houston departure 123.8. We'll stay outside of Class Bravo, 02 Victor. Thank you. Houston departure, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 2000.
November 1802 Victor, Houston approach. Did you copy out of below 4?
I did, sir. I will remain outside of Class Bravo.
Thank you. November 02 Victor, maintain VFR. What's your on course heading to your destination?
330 for 02 Victor.
Alright, turn left heading of 2 or 300 for now, because if we get you higher, I can't take you through the final. 300 degrees, 4,500 feet, please.
What are you doing?
Right, Sierra Foxtrot, descend and maintain.
I'm trying to get to it. Just
You're rocking way too much.
November 02 Victor, as soon as I get you west Intercontinental Finals, I'll have you a right turn on course.
Roger that, 02 Victor.
November 60 Tango, Y heading 180.
180, 60 Tango.
Yeah, he's getting me this way, and then he says, I'll give you a right-hand turn. He just wants me out of everybody's way.
You're way off your line.
Yeah, because he told me where to fly.
Sure, 324, descend and maintain 3,000.
I told him my heading.
4,000 for 3,000, Airsure.
And he told me to fly.
30 Fox, turn left heading 070.
Left 070, 80 Fox.
He's trying to get me outside of this big ring, this big blue ring, and then he'll probably say turn on course. What he's going to say.
02 Victor, from your present position, what is the on course heading now to your destination?
On course heading is 333.
Number 02 Victor, turn right to heading at 340.
Turn right to 340 on the heading. 02 Victor. They got the best controllers they can find, trained in Houston, Dallas, Atlanta.
02 Victor, climb maintain 6,500, proceed on course.
02 Victor, or proceed on course and climb to 6,500. Thank you.
Don't turn till
November
you get up
60
there.
Tango, descend at your discretion, advise the field.
So we didn't get to go through it this time.
No, we didn't. He wants us outside. He said not cleared into Class B. And he told me a heading to stay at, stay below.
Airsure 324, descend and maintain 2,000.
Descend 2,000, Airsure 3.
Yeah, he gave me the heading. I didn't get to pick mine. I'm actually outside of Class Bravo now. Okay.
Are you on your line?
Well, I had to fly so far west.
Where is your line? Pink?
Yeah, but I can do this, watch. I can make my line move.
That's all right. Just fly. Makes me nervous when you do other stuff.
November 02 Victor, contact approach 134.3.
We'll contact approach at 134.3, 02 Victor.
Right?
134 point, wait.
That's what he said.
134.3. Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were pointing at that one, but
No.
you were holding your hand over that. I thought you were pointing. Houston approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,200.
November 1802 Victor, Houston approach, the College Station area altimeter 3010. You can climb to your requested altitude 6,500. Is that what you want?
Affirmative.
Roger, you can climb to your requested.
We'll climb 6,500, 3010 on the altimeter.
Yeah, 3010.
Roger that. 02 Victor, thank you. Okay, we're good to go. This guy sounds like a nice fella.
Is that the airport, those strips right there?
Yeah, it's really, we're right lined up with it. If we were going to land to the north, we're lined up.
Got you loud and clear.
No, we're not.
No, I'm going to come around and land. We'll listen to the weather, but the other guy's landing to the south on 15.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2237 Zulu. Wind 140 at 10 knots.
We'll have a 14 wind at 10, and we have a 15 runway, so it's almost right down the runway with a little bit of a gust.
From the south?
Yeah. It's coming out of the south at 140, and our runway is 15. So it's like 10 degrees to our left as we land.
You're going to make an announcement?
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, we are 5 miles south, landing. We're going to make a right downwind for 15 full stop Cleburne. Look at the lake, it's down. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind, 15 full stop Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right base for 15 full stop Cleburne.
1 mile final runway 15.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2242 Zulu. Wind 140 at 9 knots.
500.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final 15 full stop Cleburne.